Hello, I'm Law. I'm going to talk about an AR app called Augments. Augment is the AR app that can visualize 3D mode in augmented reality. Augment is the mobile app that let you to customize visualize a 3D mode in augmented reality, integrate in real time in their exercise environment. Like you build a furnitures, a chair, you can put it in AR form and show in the real-time environment to see where the suitable place to place the chair. Augment is the perfect augmented reality apps to push your sale and bring you to print life. As I say, you can build the chair so it's more related to the business for the Augment apps. So going to demo the Augments. So if cannot open, you show the cannot open modes and show error message. So we're going to open the others. So this is the Augments mode, 3D mode for us. So you can see the shark is the dancing. So we can get things started. We can press the getting started to get the tutorial, and you have to amplify this to the nice place for you to see the product appear. So this one to move the product, like one finger moving, two finger to rotate it. Okay, now we done the tutorial. So this tutorial is for beginner who want to use the Augments. So the next, we're going to 3D view. 3D view is just view the 3D mode that not related in any environments in real time. So we go back to the live view. Okay, going back to live view. Now we're going to others. You can add the other mode by clicking the add the mode. So this one. You can add the others like animations. Wood rendered. Add the earth. Okay, the earth is the back. You can see the earth is turning. So this is how we use this. This is how the demo. We can use this to rotate it. Rotate the shark because we cannot rotate by our hands, so we need to use this to rotate the things. If you don't want, you can rotate. Okay. This is to print the tracker. We can print it online. Now we also can take the picture by pushing the camera button. This button if you have any error like too large or something, you can press this button to emphasize to the back. Okay, now we try it, demo it. Okay, the thing is too big, So we can amplify it back to smaller. Open it to the last scale, and we can click into resize it. So we're going to go back to other tests. Okay, now I'm going to talk my experience on this app. This app, in my experience, this was very good app, but it makes have some sorry. So I continue. Is in my experience, this it have it had a very good user interface. Like it has separate the things into every specific like educations, merchandising, interior design, vehicle, and more. So it is a very good design to separate it, and we can get the informations very easily. Like if you want the interior design, you just click for the interior design and find what you want in it. So this is a very good, very easy for the user to find what they want for the things and others. So it's myself. So you also can check the history, what you use in here, and the others you also can scan the thing QR code to find the product, to get the product. But I don't have the QR code, so I just don't demo this. And we will not demo this. And now next, going to the bookmark. Bookmark will show what your favorites 3D modes that you bookmark, 3D modes that you want. You can bookmark it and you will show it at bookmark area. And you will click it. You can quickly select it in the bookmark, and we'll show it in the here. Okay, going back. So we're going back for the in page. So we also able to search the mode by chair. Okay, search. So can search the chair for what we want. We also and search the chair which one we want, and can show it in the AR form. So you simply select one, this. Please slow for the loading. Okay, this is our chair. So we bookmark it, and we also can unbookmark by click one more time. So going back. So for next, we're going to the function minimize. It had a very minimized functions for this app. Like we can see this only has 4 functions for it in the main page, and one for the search, yourself, my mode, bookmark, and breakout. You can also scan. It also is very minimized for us to use, and very clear, and to get the informations easy to use. So we now going to the error. So we go back first, going to tracking. So we press the crazy alien. So if cannot open, you will show the cannot open this model. That is cannot. That show that is on very nice to us, but we cannot avoid it by because it cannot be deleted. So it's a mistake for the apps. So in the others, we're going back first. So we're going the others. We're going to the find the others first. Okay, you see the architecture. So because the name, because we can see that name is undifference, and because this is because by the uploader is by the other user, so we can see some the name is the very like Chinese English, some have the Thailand, so Thailand language, and others language also got. So we can see this the have a very large language that had be used in here. So the language very jargon, and this not good in this app for the user, not very friendly for us to use, because this based on the others user language to choose the give the language. So at last we going back first. This all for us to talk about these admin apps. Thank you very much.